Assalamualaikum everybody, this is Javed Iqbal and you are watching my YouTube channel Infodesk Javed. So now we are just going to discuss about shapes, different shapes, what type of shapes we have and how much you people have been utilized for that until the secondary level of your mathematics. Till now we have been discussed about different shapes, like we have been discussed about triangle, we also have been discussed about a rectangle or a square or rhombus or a trapezium and many more shapes just like that one which you have been discussing in your after your primary levels. You have been discussing your grade 6, in your grade 7, and right now you are discussing about in your grade 8 also. So all of these are, it's a triangle, it's a rectangle, it's a square, it's a rhombus, or this one is a trapezium. So in all these shapes have some unique name, just like it's a triangle, it's a rectangle. So every one of them have some unique names. So other than these unique names, we have some more names, so a different name for all these shapes collectively also, and that name is polygons. So what is a polygon? Mathematically, if we define a shape which is closed, any closed shape is called a polygon. So these are different polygons. We have some more shapes also. These are normally 3-sided shapes or the 4-sided shapes. We have some more shapes also which have more than 4 sides and more than 5 sides, or more than 6 sides, like this one. This shape is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is an 8-sided shape which we call it's an octagon. Similarly, if you're given a 6-sided shape, that is called a polygon, hexagon, or if you're given a 5-sided shape, that is called a pentagon. If you're given a 7-sided shape, 7-sided polygon, that will be a heptagon. Similarly, octagon, nonagon, tenagon. So these are the names for these polygons. Especially, we know that basically if we just talk about the triangle, we know that's the sum of interior angles of the triangles. Angles for these shapes also, other than shapes, we also discuss about the angles. If we talk about the triangle, is normally we know that the angle, sum of interior angle of a triangle is normally 180 degree. Similarly, it's a quadrilateral, it's a rectangle, sum of interior angle for this one is 360 degree. There is also a 4-sided figure which is square. Sum of interior angle for that shape is 360 degree. This one is a rhombus. It also has a sum of interior angle of 360 degree. This is also a 4-sided figure. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. A 4-sided figure. That means the sum of interior angle for this shape is also of 360 degree. But when the number of sides for any polygons are increased, meaning instead of 3 sides, instead of 4 sides, we have any polygons which has 5 sides, or a polygon which is going to have 6 sides, or a 7-sided polygon, or a 8-sided polygon, or 50-sided polygons. How we can find out some basic things regarding these polygons and what those basic things are. The very first thing is regarding the polygons and how we can find the sum of interior angle for those polygons. So whatever polygon you are given, sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angle for any polygon, if we want to calculate through a mathematical formula, and the formula is that is n minus 2 times 180. Over here, n is considered as the number of sides for that polygon. How many sides and the number of sides collectively that polygon has. So this formula will be utilized if you want to find the sum of any polygon. Suppose if we are given a polygon with sides, the sides for the polygons is 50. We are given a polygon whose sides are 50 and we just want to calculate the sum of interior angle for that polygon. So we gonna use this formula, mathematical formula, to find out the sum of interior angle. N is the number of sides, that means it's 50 minus 2 times 180. So this will be 48 times 180, and your answer is 0, 8. You can just multiply them. 48 times 18 is 64. 32 and 6 till 8. Then we have 8 and 4. So 4, 0 is there. 16, 7 and 8. So this is 0, 6 and 8. So sum of interior angle of a polygon whose number of sides are 50 is 8640 degrees. So this is the one way that how we can find the sum of interior angle of any polygon. The second thing which come in this one, that this is the way how we can find the sum of interior angle of polygon. If you want to find the sum, not the sum but one angle of in, we just need to find simple one interior angle, just not exterior but interior angle of any polygon, one interior angle. So for that one we're going to use this formula, n minus 2 times 180. Basically we know that this formula will provide you the sum of interior angle of any polygon. If we divide the sum of interior angle of any polygon by its number of sides, you will get one interior angle, single interior angle. There is another formula if you want to find single one interior angle. And if you are given interior angle, how can you find exterior angle? Mean one interior angle you are given, and now you are supposed to find the exterior outer angle. So what is the exterior angle? Suppose that is a shape, and this is interior angle, or this is interior angle. And if I just extend the line, so this one is the exterior angle, outer angle for the shape. So if you want to find the exterior angle with the help of interior, so what it will be? Your exterior angle that is equal to 180 degree minus whatever your interior angle is. Mean you can say that the sum of interior and exterior angle will be equal to 180 degrees. So vice versa, if you are given interior angle and you want to find exterior, what you have to do? Your exterior angle will be subtracted from 180. And if you want to find exterior angle, so you are given interior angle, so interior angle will be subtracted from 180 degrees. This is the way how can you find the exterior angle also. So that is the third thing. First is finding the sum of interior angle of any polygon. Second thing is we know the number of sides of a polygon, and we just need to calculate that what is one interior angle for that particular shape. This is the number 3, that how we can find out what is the exterior angle for that particular polygon. So till now we just these are the 3 things we have to discuss about the polygon. So move ahead. How we can calculate the number of sides with the help of your exterior angle. Number of sides mean we are given a particular angle for any polygon, number of sides. How we can find it? That is equal to 360 divided by your exterior angle, one exterior angle. So before this I just want to mention one more thing. Your sum of exterior angle of any polygon, whatever polygon you are given, sum of that polygon, sum of exterior angle of that polygon is always equal to 360 degrees. This is you must have to keep in your mind. Sum of exterior angle for any polygon, that is equal to 360 degrees. And if you want to find the number of sides with the help of exterior angle, that is the most easiest way. Just as we know that the sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360, so sum of exterior angle divided by one exterior angle. By dividing this, you can get your number of sides. If I just change this formula, mean if you want to find exterior angle of any polygon, you know the sum of exterior angle is 360 degree and divided by number of sides. Mean these formulas are, this is basically the one formula. We just need to just mold that formula. If you want to find number of sides with the help of exterior angle, so sum of exterior angle which is 360 divided by one exterior angle. And if you want to find one exterior angle when you are given number of sides, so 360 which is the sum of exterior angle divided by number of sides. This is the way how you can find one exterior angle also. So till now this is about all about the polygon, that how we can utilize different formulas to work out number of sides of any polygon, or to work out sum of interior angle for any polygon, or to work out how many particular sides that polygon have, or what is the particular interior or exterior angle for the given polygon we have. These are basically the formulas till now which we have been discussing. These are the ways how we can calculate these things. Right now we are going to discuss about a situation. Meaning, if we are given a condition, if you are given a situation, suppose you are given a few shapes, or suppose you are given two squares and two equilateral triangles. This is square and they are just joined at this point. Two squares and two equilateral triangles, one and that is a third triangle. This is a square, this is a triangle, and this is an equilateral triangle, that is square and that is also triangle. And we just want to verify that what shape would be over here in this gap. The very first thing which we need to calculate over here is what is the angle, what is the degree, what is the angle at this point. We need to calculate it, angle at this point, and how we can calculate it. We know one thing. What is the angle of every corner of a square? That is of 90 degree. So there is 90 degree, there also we have 90 degree. So these two angles are of 90 degree because we are given these two shapes which are square. Now these two triangles are equilateral triangles, mean all three sides for the triangles are same. That means it's all three angles would also be same. So this is, as we know that the sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees, so divide it into three parts. So this will be of 60 degree and that is also of 60 degree. So what we have left over here now, what is the remaining angle for this portion? For this one we know one thing. This is a complete angle and we know that the complete angle is of 360 degrees. So what we're going to do now? We just going to add 1, 2, 3 and 4, these four angles, and subtract them from 360. This is 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 60 degree, and just add them all, subtract from 360. What it would be? It's 360 degree minus 90 plus 60 is 150, 150 plus 90 is 240, 240 plus 60 is 300. So your remaining angle is 60 degrees. So what shape, which shape has a 60 degree angle at its corner? And we know that is an equilateral triangle. So which shape at 60 degree, which shape we can plot in this portion? In this portion we have to plot an equilateral triangle which will cover this area. So that is the way that how we can utilize these angles, properties also, or things like that. Secondly, if you're given any shape or any formula over here, suppose you're just given something over here and they're telling you that the outer angle for this shape is 12 degree. The exterior angle, we don't know the name of polygon. We don't know the name of polygon. And we're just asking that what is the number of sides this polygon if its exterior angle is of 360 degree. And we remember the formula, with the help of exterior angle, how can we find the number of sides? That is 360 degree, which is the sum of exterior angle divided by one exterior angle. So there is a formula for n, number of sides. So n is equal to what? It's 12 times 3, 36, 0 will be there. So 30 sides. A triangle whose one exterior angle is of 12 degree, the number of sides for that one is 30, total number of sides for this one. So this is how can you utilize your number of sides, or how can you utilize your shapes or polygons formulas to calculate your different interior angles or exterior angles, and number of sides for any polygon or exterior angle for any polygons, the names for any polygons. So thank you so much. Keep watching this channel and please do subscribe it also for have some more good videos. Thank you.